How are you all? So we were on the exercise 11. We have done few questions from exercise. We will continue the exercise today and we will finish this chapter today. Okay. So I have given you one homework. Question number 7. Right? Okay. So let's see. I'll read the question for you. As A, B and C can cultivate a field in 10, 12 and 15 days respectively. If they work together, in how many days will they finish the work and what fraction of the work will each of them will do? Okay, so 3 people are there, A, B and C. Person A, B and C. If some kind of work they have to finish, same quantity of work they have to finish, A will take 10 days, B will take 12 days and C will take 15 days to finish the work. Same work they will finish in 10 days, 12 days and 15 days. Now the task is, what if they work together? Before this we have seen examples where you were having 2 cases like A and B are having some different days, and if they work together, what could be the how much time they will require to finish their work. Okay, now here instead of 2, only 3 people are there, so procedure is same. Here instead of 2, 3 fractions will come. Okay, so this is the time required to finish some kind of work. ठीक है, 10 दिन में एक उनका पूरा फील्ड जो है वो कल्टीवेट करके हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो फिर एक दिन में वो कितना काम करेंगे? A required 10 days to finish a work. So 1 day work of A. I'll write here only 1 day work of A. How much it will be? 10 days में कर रहा है. 10 days को का सिंगल डे में फाइंड आउट करना. तो how what you will do? You will divide them into 10 parts. So each part will be 1 by 10th. एक दिन का 1/10 portion आएगा, right? So that is 1 by 10. You just need to take a reciprocal. That's it. Then for B, 1 day work of B. How much it will be? 1 by 12. And 1 day work of C is 1 by 15, is it? Now, if they are working together, you will get 1 day work of A plus B plus C, right? So 1 day work, therefore 1 day work of all of them are working together, A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. Correct? So what you need to do is just do the calculation, take LCM, make the denominator equal, do the addition, simplify the fraction and you will get your answer. Okay? So how to do it? 10, 12 and 15. If you take their LCM, LCM is equal to 60. Correct? 12 5 is 60, 15, 4 is 60, 10 6 is 60. Correct? So after taking LCM, 10 6 जा, सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, ऊपर भी करना है. So 1 into 6 will be 6. Then 12 5 जा and 15 4 जा. Together it is nothing but 15 by 16. So it is 15 by 16. Again you have to simplify the fraction. 15 1 जा, 15 4 जा. Fraction is 1 by 4 and you want how much time they will take to finish the work, है ना? ये इनका काम कितना है? 1 day का. If they work together, it is a work for 1 day. ठीक है? तो आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा फाइंड आउट करने? तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? We just take a reciprocal. So that reciprocal is 1 divided by 1 by 4 is nothing but 4 days. So A plus B plus C, if they work together, A, B and C work together, and in how much time they will finish their work? In to in 4 days. तीनों ने अगर साथ काम किया, they will finish the same work in 4 days. Okay? Just note down the example. This was question number 7. जो आपको होमवर्क दिया था, correct? Okay, the next one I'll take. In the next question, just read the question and then. Okay, question number 8, it is given that A, B and C can do a piece of work in 10 days. ठीक है? So if they work together, question number 8. What is given? A plus B plus C. Time required is 10 days. Then A alone can do it in 40 days. If only A is doing it, he will do it in 40 days. Correct? B alone can do it in 30 days. If only B is doing, he will do it in 30 days. Now, 3 people are working, A, B and C. If they work together, work will finish in 10 days. But instead of 3, only 1 person is working, that is A. The same work can be done in 40 days. If only single person is working, that is B, the same work can be done in 30 days. And you need to find out what if only C is working. If only C is working, how many days it will take? So that you need to find out. That is X, because we need to find out, we don't know. Now, if they are working together, 10 days are there. So 1 day work of A plus B plus C is equal to 1 day work of A, B and C is equal to how many days? 1 by 10 days. Right? 1 day work of A. How much it will be? एक दिन का काम किया था बंदा 40. For the B, 1 day work of B is equal to 1 by 30. And for C, it is how much it will be? 1 by X, because we don't know, right? Now, if I say I have 10 chocolates, ठीक है? 2 I have given to Prachi, 5 I have given to Palak. Okay, how many chocolates Nayan can get? 2 I have given to Prachi, 5 I have given to Palak. जितने बचे मुझे उतने नयन को देना है, तो नयन को कितने मिलेंगे? कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? 2 प्राची के, I have 10, 2 प्राची के and 5 पलक के, बचे 3. किया? Same way, if A plus B plus C together they are working, they require this much of time, and if A alone is working, this much of time, B this much of time, and C this much of time. So you want to find out the C. What you need to do is, आपको करना क्या है? A और B का ऐड करो, टोटल से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, you will get for C. Correct? So you will do is A plus B plus C का जो टाइम है, you have to subtract from this time A plus B का. इंडिविजुअल टाइम स्प्लिट करना, सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा आपको. करेक्ट? सो टोटल टाइम इज नथिंग बट 1 by 10 minus A alone can do it in 40 and B alone can do it in 30. Right? Now take the LCM and subtract from here. Okay? So do it. How How you can solve here? See, first solve the bracket. So take the LCM over here. यहाँ पे LCM ले लो. और another way is bracket के बाहर negative sign है. Give the sign inside, so it will be 1/10 minus 1/40 minus 1/30. This is one way. Or another way is solve the bracket. दोनों का LCM ले लो, and then it will be 120. Is it 120? 4 3s are and 3 4s are. So it will be 40 plus 30, so 70 upon 120. ये इन दोनों का LCM आएगा. Subtract it from 1/10. This is the one way, or this is another way. सबका मिलके LCM ले लो. Again it will be 120. यहाँ पे आप multiply करोगे 12 से. Here it will be again 3 4, and here it will be 12 minus 3 minus 4 upon 120. It is nothing but 12 minus 7. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7 upon 120. One is the same thing. Correct? So it is equal to 5 by 120. Do the division. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. 2 remainder. Again 20. How much it will be? 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 remainder 20, and 5 4s are 20. So it is 1/24, which is equal to, if you convert it into days, it will be 24 days. क्या करना होगा सर? रेसिप्रोकल लेना. Correct? Simple calculation. It just you should know how to take LCM. Clear? Okay, I'll erase the board. Okay, so question number 9 we are not taking. In question number 10, I'll read the question for you. In question number 10, it is given that a cistern can be filled by one tap in 4 hours and by another in 3 hours. Okay? How long will it take to fill both taps are open together? If the both taps are open together. Okay, what is a cistern? It is nothing but a tank. There is a tank. It has 2 taps. One is for inlet pipe. Another is for outlet. It is just like a tank at your home. घर में जो टैंक है, ठीक है, नीचे कोई टैंक होता है, आप ऊपर पानी चढ़ाते हो, टंकी भरते हो, राइट? द टैंक विल बी फिल्ड बाय इनलेट पोर्शन और इनलेट वॉल. पानी भरा जाएगा टैंक में. टैंक इज फुल, राइट? एंड घर में जो पाइपलाइन आती है आगे ये कंटिन्यू होगी, दैट इज आउटलेट. ओके, अब जब टैंक आप भर रहे हो, द प्रोसेस इज इन कंटिन्यूएशन. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन आउटलेट. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि यहाँ पे भर रहे हो कंटिन्यू और यहाँ पे आउटलेट से पानी निकल रहा है. नो, सो इट वेरीज. सो बेसिकली सिस्टर्न इज नथिंग बट द टैंक, जिसमें दो आपको क्या रहेंगे, इनलेट एंड आउटलेट. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स कि आउटलेट कितने हैं, इनलेट कितने हैं. दैट विल बी गिवन फॉर स्पेसिफिक केसेस. लाइक समटाइम्स इट मे बी 2 इनलेट्स और 1 इनलेट एंड 2 outlets. Okay, so let's see the example given here. Question number 10 I am taking. Question number 9 we are not taking. अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो you can do it. Yes. So in question number 10, a cistern can be filled by one tap in 4 hours and by another tap in 3 hours. अगर एक टैप खोलो और भरने दो टैंक तो it will take 4 hours. So I take taps as A and B. tap A require 4 hours and tap B will take 3 hours to fill the tank. Okay, now how long it will take to fill if both the taps are open together? दोनों को अगर साथ ओपन किया तो how much time it will take to fill the tank? 4 hours का टाइम है. सी बेसिकली करते क्या हम लोग, यू हैव टू चेक द यूनिट्स. इसके पहले डेज में था तो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट फॉर 1 डे. ठीक है, 1 डे का वर्क. यहाँ पे क्या है, यूनिट आवर्स का है. यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट वर्क फॉर 1 आवर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 1 डे का करके नहीं चलेगा बिकॉज सेम यूनिट क्या है आपका आवर्स में. इफ इट इज इन मिनट्स यू हैव टू गो फॉर मिनट्स. इफ इट इज इन ईयर्स यू हैव टू फाइंड फॉर ईयर्स. ओके, नाउ if the tap A is open, so how much time it will take for 1 hour, or in 1 hour tap A can fill how much water? 1 hour work of tap A is 1/4. 1 hour work for tap B is 1/3. Correct? Now if A and B are working together, tap A plus B are open together. So it has to be 1 hour work how much it will be? 1/4 plus 1/3. Correct? Now take the LCM. 4 3s are 12. LCM will be 12. 12 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 4. So 3 plus 4 upon 7 upon 12, which is equal to 7 by 12. Correct? But you need to find out total time required. So time can be calculated as reciprocal again, that is 1 divided by 7/12. Why I am saying reciprocal लेना है आपको, because ये 1 hour की वैल्यू है ना, आपको 1 hour के लिए नहीं करना, आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कितना टाइम लगा. So that will be a reciprocal. Clear? So it is nothing but 12/7 hours. So this answer is also correct. Or as you can see, it is not a if you want you can convert it into mixed fraction, so that it can be 7 ones are 7 and 5. Remainder is 5. 1 remainder upon 7 hours. This answer is also correct. Okay. Always write down your answer in words. I am not writing because of lack of space, but you should always write down answer in words if your question is in words. Okay. Just check out the question. Note down in your notebook. Done? Okay, let's take the next one. Read the next question. I'll read it for you. A cistern can be filled by a tap in 4 hours and emptied by an outlet pipe in 6 hours. How long will it take to fill the cistern if both taps are open together? That means there is a tank. There is a tank which has an inlet pipe and which has an outlet pipe, and both the taps are open together. That means tank भर भी रहा है and empty भी हो रहा है, ठीक है? And if both the things are going on simultaneously, अगर दोनों simultaneously चल रहे हैं, so पूरा टाइम भरने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? That you need to find out. Okay? So अगर input है, always remember if it is input, you should always take it as plus. If it is output, that means अगर कुछ चीज कम हो रही है, you should always take it as negative thing. Okay? So let's see how we should write the fractions. Yes. A cistern can be filled by a tap in 4 hours. There is a tap. Open tap I'll take. Question 11. I'll take tap A, which is for inlet, which will fill the water in 4 hours, and empty manually tap B. It takes 6 hours. How long will it take to fill the cistern in both the taps open at a time? ठीक है? Now what? Again 1 hour. In 1 hour, tap A can fill 1/4 of this work, right? Then 1 hour work of tap B is 1/6 hours, 6 of work. ठीक है? 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, 1 घंटे में उसका 1/4 पोर्शन होगा, यहाँ पे 6 घंटे में उसका 1/6 पोर्शन होगा. बट थिंग इज दैट 1 hour टैप भी काम कर रही है, क्या वो भरने का काम कर रही है? नो, इट इज गोइंग टू एम्प्टी द वाटर, सो इट हैज टू बी माइनस. ठीक है? माइनस क्यों किया? बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू एम्प्टी द वाटर एंड नॉट गोइंग टू फिल द वाटर. ठीक है? So what should be the next course of action? So it has to be, if the taps are open together, taps are open together, that means A is also working and B is also working. So it has to be 1/4 plus minus 1/6. ये दोनों का काम चल रहा है. Okay, so this will be equal to 1/4 minus 1/6. क्यों? ब्रैकेट के बाहर एक साइन है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर एक साइन है. सिंगल नंबर में 2 डिफरेंट साइंस, आंसर में आएगा माइनस साइन. ठीक है? सो इट इज 1/4 minus 1/6. टेक एलसीएम हो गया. एलसीएम ऑफ 4 and 6. हाउ मच इट विल बी? इज इट 12? 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Correct? Here 3 minus 2 upon 12 is 1/12. Correct? 3 minus 2 क्यों? दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे भी दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 2 is 2. 1/12. So time will be reciprocal of this. Which is equal to 12 hours. Keep the unit same. Unit has to be same. Okay? Next the 12th I'll take for you, because 12th में time दिया है मिनट में. 13 we are not taking. 13 will be your choice if you want, but I am not taking it. I am skipping it. 14th one is homework. It is just similar to question number 12. ठीक है? I'll read the question number 12 for you. Just read the example till then. Okay, I'll erase the board. The 12th example. A system can be filled by a tap in 4 hours. One tap fills a bath in 12 minutes. Tap A fills the bath in 12 minutes. And another tap fills it in 15 minutes. Tap B fills it in 15 minutes. The waste pipe can empty the bath in 10 minutes. So there is pipe C which will empty the bath in 10 minutes. Okay? So now, in what time will the bath be filled if both taps are turned on and if the waste pipe has left open accidentally? That means there is a bathtub. It has tap A and tap B. You can consider it, suppose hot water and cold water. And there is a waste pipe that should be closed, but accidentally it was open. So यहाँ से पानी तो भर रहा है, but again it is going out from this pipe. Correct? Now what you have to do is, there are 2 inlets, 1 outlet. तो inlet है तो पानी भरेगा, outlet है तो पानी कम होगा. Again, see, I told you just now, depending on the unit, if it is 1 hour, you should take 1 hour. If it is 1 day, you should take day work. Right? Day है तो day 1 day का work लेना है. Hour से तो 1 hour का काम लेना है. Minutes है तो minutes का लेना है. Second है तो second का लेना है. That's it. Okay. Now, 1 hour work of A will be 1 by 12 minutes. 1 by 12 of your work. 1 hour work of B is 1 by 15 of total work. 1 hour work of C is minus 1 by 10 of total work. Why it is minus? Because it is outlet work. Right? यहाँ से waste हो रहा है, यहाँ से waste नहीं हो रहा. Now what you should do is add them and subtract this. Correct? आपको total time find out करना कितना लगेगा? इन दोनों को add करो, इसे subtract करो. That's it. So it is equal to, if A plus B plus C, if they work together, it will be 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. That's it. Okay? Now take the LCM. What will be the LCM? Is it 60? Okay? So here we will multiply by 5. Here it is 4 and it is 6. So it is nothing but 5 plus 4 minus 6 upon 60. Correct? 9 minus 6 is 3 by 60. 3 ones are 3, 2 and 0. So it is 1 by 20 is your fraction, and time required to fill the bath is 20 minutes. As all the minutes are in minutes, your final time has to be in minutes. Clear? Just check out the example. Okay, so here we have finished this exercise and the 2 exercises which were remaining from your chapter construction, that we will cover in next class. Till then, bye everyone.